You okay, partner? You zoned out for a minute there, likely due to your body acclimating to the ether fusion process. As I was saying, my name is Drift, your own personal AI helper and companion programmed to assist agents of Zenith. That's you. Our first job is simple. Find Field Agent Mika and wave at her to get our briefing. Hold forward on the left thumbstick to move forward. Hold to the left or right to stray sideways. Hold it towards you to move backwards. See those arrows? While moving forward, press the left thumbstick in to sprint. See that exclamation point over her head? That means she has something important to say. Or at least something mildly interesting. Walk in front of her and wave to start a conversation.
You're the right age.
See that yellow ring and spire up the staircase? I overlaid them in real space to help you find your way to key locations. Pretty helpful, right? Parts of the understreets are home to slightly aggressive chimerads. Grab your weapons to defend yourself. Essence mages launch bolts of honed magic at their foes. Pull the trigger while holding your launchers to fire. Each launcher has limited ammo, but it refills quickly when not firing. You can hold down the trigger of your launcher to charge up a more powerful shot. Look at your left hand and open up the mini-map by pressing the button you see highlighting. This map will show the location of all currently tracked objectives, near or far. Nearby objectives will show as a star on the map, while further ones will be an arrow on the edge of the map that points in their direction. Our first objective is right above us. Let's get it! Climbing with an ether disc is easy. Just put your hands on the surface you want to climb and grab the wall. While gripping a wall, pull your hand downwards to climb up. Then grab with the next hand.
sugar, milk, and flour, right?
As an essence mage, you can cast spells using hand gestures. Most spells can be cast by moving your hands up, down, or horizontally. To cast a spell, hold grip. Keep holding it down and swipe your hand in the desired direction to prepare the spell. When you see the colored essence swirling around your hand, point to aim the spell and release grip to cast. Try casting a downward spell now. Hold one hand up and press grip. Pull your hand down quickly to prepare the spell. Then aim and release the button.